Hey everyone, my name is Jacob Corey, and today I'm going to be singing to Payphone by Maroon 5, as well as the other group sings for our Amplifi class, so please enjoy. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Well, the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Well, the plans we made for you. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's either here in the picture, but you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but it is too late to try. Give it too much, you wasted all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for you? If happy ever after did exist, all this really felt you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Oh, turn your back on tomorrow. But you forgot yesterday. You give good love to borrow, but you just get me to be fine. I never get you to cave. All of my bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, all those fairy tales leave you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Now, baby, don't hang up so I can tell you what you need to know. I'm begging you, just please to go. So I can tell you what you need to know. Yeah, I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, all this fairy don't leave you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. Well, folks, that's about it. Peace out. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.